2 weeks in a row. Give us a round of applause, please. Yes, we're showing up. What I remember that I did not do in the last vlog was to give you the encouragement. I usually give an encouragement. So I'm going to do that. There was something else I should have done. Hold on, let me think. I just remembered. So before I give the encouragement, I have to highlight this comment. This particular comment had me and Tina laughing in the bed. And just to clear it up, I do have eyebrows. They are here. If you look very closely. I don't know if it's because my skin is so dark and chocolatey, but they seem very thin, I must admit. But the person was like, boy Paul, I never know. You never have no eyebrow all this time? Anyway, time for the encouragement. And the encouragement comes from Isaiah 43 verse 19, where God says, behold, I will make a way in the wilderness and streams in the desert. You see what's happening here with this flower? Where is it growing from? I saw this at my mother's house and it just spoke to us. And in the same way this year, God, who is our ever-present help in trouble, He will see you through, even in your impossible situations. And that's exactly how we started our year at church. Everybody dressed up and looking nice and pretty. Pan the camera to the left to see the beautiful lady. Yes. And before you know it, you're back into the thick of things, work and school, driving behind a car that looked like it was from Bob Marley's time. And it's the new school year, it's the new work term. And you just got to get going again.
How was your first day back to school?
Not fun.
Not fun? Why? What happened?
Just work.
Just work? Zahra?
Just did work.
Just work. Okay, Zahra.
No.
How did you find your first day back to school? How was it? Did you do anything interesting?
No. Interesting. Counted by twos.
Hmm?
Counting from twos.
You counting by twos?
Counted. We
Were you
counted.
happy to see all your friends?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
The most friends I missed was Leila and Zahra.
Okay, why? Because you got that slime from him?
Her.
Sorry. Okay. Alright. That's gross though.
Hi, afternoon. You sell Play-Doh or building blocks? Alright, see the Play-Doh here, guys. Come. Play-Doh, see them there? Which color do you want? Which color?
Purple.
Which color do you want?
Red.
Okay. Are there going to be a mixture of colors, okay? This is red, yellow and blue. Oh, this is a bigger one. This has purple, right? And right, this has purple and red. So we're going to just buy that big one, okay? The building blocks are somewhere over here, okay? So look and see if we find them. No. We're looking for building blocks. Think on the slick. Building blocks. I don't see any building blocks in the baby. Oh, these are building blocks. We're going to buy this one, okay? Here. We're going to buy this one. Here. You want that? You like that car?
Yeah.
This will suit you well, you know. You want to drive in there? Alright, no, this is not right now, okay, but this will be really nice for you guys. That are going to work on it, alright? Okay, Edie, that are going to work on it, alright?
How about the tiny one?
The tiny one? That's too tiny for you. This is more your speed. Alright? This is more your speed.
This is our
4x4, yes. This is your speed, alright? Anywho, we're back to this jackfruit tree because I am trying to figure out at what point we know when it's ripened. When it's ripe for the picking, we really just don't know. Okay, and as we're here a while ago, This jackfruit just dropped. This is what has been the story of our lives since we've been here. They start to grow, attach itself, well, start growing from the stem of the tree, or whatever you call that middle piece, or from a branch itself, and then it just dries up. I don't know, but it's like another message in itself, you know. But this jackfruit, against the odds, has, you know, gone and been victorious. But we don't know when it's going to arrive, so I'm going to put a message on Instagram for you guys to let me know. And based on the comments before this video has ended, if it is that the comments are saying that it is ripe for the picking, I'm going to pick it in the video. And the poll results never helped me one bit. You know why? We had 22 votes saying yes, Paul, pick it. 23 saying, Paul, this is too green. And 56, the majority of the votes said blind can't lead blind. In other words, I can't help you, brother, because I don't know myself. So you know what I did after I saw the results? I said, you know what? I might not know jackfruit, but I can pick something I know is ready to be picked. Aki. The ones that I'm trying to get, I'm just noticing that this, even though this, our new stick is so long, it still cannot reach. I thought it was able to reach, but I don't know what I was thinking. This bunch right there, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 open occupieds, but it's too far up. I'm not seeing any at this. Oh, see some at this level. Some more there. Yeah, see some under here. See them there. And there are some at hand level. I saw it this morning. I hope no bird actually. That's it this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Aki for dinner tonight. Aki for dinner today. And one more reminder for you as we go through and start and plan for this year. Remember what the scripture says in Psalm 127, where it says, unless the Lord builds the house, they labor in vain who build it. Except the Lord watch the city, the watchman waketh but in vain. So in other words, you could be making your plans and it seems so sound to you. But unless God is in the midst of your plans, unless God is the one guiding your plans, you're really not standing on any solid ground. So yeah, that is the second encouragement for the day. So the first one was for last week. This one was for this week. Alright, hope you have a great week. Here's the second half of this vlog, which takes us into another parish. So tonight, Hannah has sent me on a mission to Portmore to convert her winnings in Miss Glenmere, the cash prize that she got for, I think this was for most talented, her cash award. She's going to multiply this 10,000 and start selling some cakes. So she sent me on a mission to buy a couple of cakes for her and I think a donut. The thing about price match is that when you come in here, there's so much to see. You just feel like you want to buy everything. But it's a good thing I have a list. For example, this deep freeze would be very good for the chickens. This is a very big deep freeze. But that's not why we're here. But this one too, 99,000. A little bigger than what we have right now. We have a 13 cubic. Nice little backyard tree house. Man, they would love this. This is the price. Wow, I just brought down the door. It feels good. A broke down the door, so I'm walking away quickly. I'm not going to look suspicious right now. Can't believe I just broke down the door. Anyway, I'm in the TV aisle now. These are too small for me. I think my TVs are on the other side, but they could work. But this is the list. 1 red velvet cake, 1 mocha chocolate cake, 1 pack of donuts. That's what I need to get from PriceSmart. And look here. That's where I am. So 1 chocolate mocha. These look nice. And now it was time to pack up and bring them to church for sale. But first, some shenanigans.
Let's see. Hey, mommy. Let's take it here. Say hey. Come on. Yes, Eva. Woo.
So big up to everybody at Ebenezer Baptist for accommodating us and supporting the thing. Big up, man. It was a very good and well supported initiative. Big up to Hannah again for taking the step. Of course, we had to support and buy for the smaller ones until Hannah come and pass our place. Hear this people.
Hear this?
She said, make sure I pay her.
Liberty.
Have my dirty
What
money.
a liberty.
Have my dirty money. See? Yeah.
2 donuts.
Make sure you give me change. My total is $9.50, so I'll give her the change. So good morning. Everybody wants to see you the last time. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we going to pick now? What are we going to get out of the tree?
Breadfruit.
Not breadfruit. What is that? What is up there? Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Right. Today's the day. We've had mixed, thoughts on whether it should be picked or not. But we're gonna pick it, and if it's not ready, we'll just put it down.
Good morning. I'm the film.
You'll be the voice behind
videographer.
the
Camera.
shots, right?
Right.
I'm not sure if this can manage it actually. It's a very flimsy hook.
Oh, I saw another hook down by the plum tree that you could probably try. And there's a hook right here.
The steel one?
Yeah.
That's cool. Ready, Ava? Yes. Ready to catch?
Yes.
Hold on.
I just want to hook it first.
Alright.
No, I don't hook it.
You got it?
I got it. No. Ava, come back. Watch Ava.
Ava, come stay with me.
Ava, come and pull this. Hold it, okay, just hold it. Hold it. Alright, pull after 3. 1, 2, 3, pull. Pull, Ava, pull. Pull.
Look like he broke his stick. He broke his hook.
The hook open up. It's okay, let go, Ava, let go.
Hanging on for dear life.
No, it's iron.
I felt like it moved.
Look like it moved?
It kind of did.
It
Oh.
open up.
Well, you're gonna need the steel hook.
We have literally retooled, changed the hook, and converted the old hook to be one of the fasteners. Not very good because it was very brittle. But we're going to see if we can get this done right now. Ava, ready?
Yes.
You had your snack. You ready to go? Let me get into position here. See this wonderful feat of jackfruit picking history. Got to clear a few limbs there. I think you need to, you're sure you have the right direction. The hook is in the right direction.
I can barely.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, it's right over.
Yeah.
Alright, Ava, come and pull. Come right here, okay? After 3. 1, 2, 3, pull.
Come on, guys.
It's coming.
Come on, guys.
It's coming.
Yeah, I see stains.
Alright. It's coming, Eva.
Yes, it is. I think. Or you've hooked the fruit itself. Have you?
No,
No. You're
it's
good. You're
coming
good.
down.
You're good.
Ready, Eva? You can manage pull? I don't want to hurt her.
All right. Well, you come.
No, I'm going to try to catch it.
Oh. How? But it don't make sense if you try catch it, babe.
Just make it drop
Yeah.
in your plants.
Oh, well, I don't have anything planted there right now. I don't have
Alright,
anything
it's coming
precious.
down
It's
after
just ground
3.
cover.
Come, Eva, hold on. So
Wait,
one,
wait. I don't have sight of it.
You have a good angle?
Yeah, kind of. I
Right?
think so.
After 3, Eva. Count to 3 for mommy.
1,
2, 1, 2, 3. Pull. Is it a sign that it's not ready?
Or maybe you need to twist.
The hook coming off, you know.
Oh.
The hook can't manage no arm, no twist.
Oh!
First jackfruit, that's our location. How do you think, baby?
Come, guys.
Nice and firm.
Let me get the thumbnail. Eva, go by daddy.
Nice and firm. Come, hold. Smile at mommy now.
Guys, not quite as big as the last one that we got from country, but
No.
smell it.
Smell of nothing.
Smell of nothing.
Which is,
And it feels kind of tough.
yes,
Oh, did we make a mistake?
too early.
I hope we didn't make a mistake. Well,
But
let's put it
The
up.
person was saying, when it ready, you can smell it. You won't have any doubt.
Yes, my mother said the same thing, but let's put it up. Let's wrap it up. Let it drain out, and then let's wrap it up, and then place it in a nice warm place in the kitchen,
Oh boy.
and see what you think. I think we'll be fine.
Let's hope there are more. I hope it didn't spoil it.
I see some on there, but they look rotten. Some little ones.
they're coming up on. Yes, baby?
Hmm?
Yes, it's
Sap,
draining out.
don't touch it. It's sticky. Very sticky. Seems to be like a cluster right there. Let's see if anything comes of any of those.
Right.
I think this is the reason why we're not getting any jackfruits. There is obviously some kind of infestation. Look at all of the stuff on this. So something has laid eggs all over this, and that is probably the culprit right there, and it is causing rot. So we're gonna have to get the tree spray, because look at these are eggs. Some of them are larvae. See, it's moving.
This is a testimony. Your testimony.
Yeah. Do it all.
So may God keep you this year like how He kept this jackfruit. This was a conversation we were having with ChatGPT about what was affecting the jackfruit. You'll want to stick around to the end. Have a great week, neighbors.